So this is a 2011 Ford Taurus. Just got it as a surplus auction. It's got some issues, of course, as they all do. It looks like it was a Kentucky State Police vehicle, probably, based off the stuff. It came from the state, but the biggest issue right now we have is this, the gear shifter. It's super loose. What I've seen online is you can take this, I'm going to pry off this trim piece here. It should pop down, and allegedly, right in there, and over there, there should be 2 set screws. So I got a flat screwdriver here. We're going to try to pry this off real quick, see if we can get in there and if that's really the case. Alright, so good news, bad news. That is how this comes off. Now, right in there, you can see the clip is right there, and there's one on the front too. It snaps in, so if you pry from the sides, you're going to have a rough time, but the clip right there holds it in. Bad news is the set screws popped out. As soon as I did that, those things came flying out. There's one over there. I think one hit up there. I'll have to look and see. So we're going to go try to figure out which type of Torx this is. And then we'll try to put them back and see how it goes. Alright, so we switched sides. Sit in the passenger seat. You can see just barely right in there. There's a hole, and there's one on this side where those 2 screws go. Now my Harbor Freight kit here, the one that fits is a T20. It's the closest one that I had. There might be some that fit better, but it fits about as well as it can. And what I'm going to do here is put some Loctite on it as well, just to make sure it doesn't back out anymore. And we'll put those screws in, and we'll be back. And we're back. We got the 2 screws in. There's this side. Got the other side in there as well. I did put some blue Loctite on it. Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me later. But I figured it can't hurt. We'll see, those are famous words. We'll just snap this back up here. We'll get some super glue to put this trim piece back on. I have that in the garage as well. And this little project will be over. So in an unfortunate turn of events, I don't have any super glue. But I do have some model glue, like you would use for model airplanes, model cars, model trains, that kind of thing. In this case, this is this Tester's non-toxic cement for plastic models. But there we have it. Now we're back on. Got to get it cleaned up a little bit. But I have a gear shift that's stable. Stay tuned. We have some more projects coming up with this car. We'll put a GMRS radio in here, a scanner probably. I have some cleaning up to do still in the trunk. There's some rust back there. We're going to try to address that. We'll see. Build a trunk case for it, or a trunk lid. Got to build a platform over the spare tire in the trunk so we can actually use it. And a couple other things. So, there you have it. It's that simple. Pop this part off, put the 2 screws back in, glue this back on if that's your problem. Thanks for watching.